Man, can you say me what is the best time of day to have sex according to science?
Before I start the topics, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for watching the next video. The best time of day to get busy is right around 3 p.m., according to hormone expert Elisa Vitti, because that's the time when men and women are most in sync, Men's Health reports. While men may perform best physically in the early to mid-morning due to a testosterone boost, they hit an estrogen peak later in the afternoon, which makes them more emotionally attuned to their partners. Women experience a peak in cortisol levels right around then, which helps boost energy and alertness. While this may not seem like a logical setup for satisfaction, given the previous endorsement of testosterone, the combination actually makes men more emotionally present during sex and better able to focus on a woman's needs and satisfaction, Vitti writes, in her book Woman Code, according to Men's Health. Of course, same-sex couples might have a different groove. But if 3 p.m. doesn't work for you, there has also been evidence to suggest that morning is the right time. One study of 1,000 people conducted by Forza Supplements found that the best time to have sex is about 7:30 a.m., about 45 minutes after the optimal time to wake up to achieve a perfectly tuned-up body clock. Researchers concluded that morning sex unleashes endorphins that lower blood pressure and reduce stress, setting you up for having a nice day. Of course, this was not exactly a super serious, peer-reviewed study by a major academic institution.